Sometimes the place you're used to is not the place you belong. This quote came from the movie Queen of Catway. It came at a pivotal point in the movie, a pivotal point in the life of a young chess prodigy. You know, she had ambitions of becoming a chess grandmaster, but at the same time she feared that because of her humble beginnings, she did not belong among the ranks of the greats in the game of chess, right? And honestly, I could definitely relate to her predicament, and I'm sure it's a sure bet that many of you can relate as well. You know, that's why I believe that these words from her coach and mentor in the movie is immediately applicable to all of us, everyone who ever dared to dream about stepping out of their situation, the situations that they have inherited. I think it's understandable that, you know, you may become accustomed to being in your particular circumstances, as unsavory as they may be, right? You know that you deserve more than what life is currently offering you. You know that you definitely are capable of way more than your circumstances suggest or even dictate. But although you know that, you know, the journey from where you are to where you dream of being can still seem so daunting and so intimidating. And these feelings of insecurity can really weigh you down. But I want you to know that you have to push past those fears. I want to encourage you to do just that. You have to learn to be okay with the possibility of failure and being ridiculed, and you have to be bold enough to ask of life far more than you right now feel you're worth. For in the end, my friend, the place that you're used to is indeed not the place you belong. This has been a Keep On Pushing moment. Make sure you leave a comment on this video, like it, subscribe to the channel.